ITMA is the most important event.
The leading event, of course, in textile industry all over the world.
We attend many other shows, but hands down, ITMA is the one not to be missed.
What are some new innovations you have here?
It's a real revolution.
Faster, more flexibility.
Sustainability is driving all of our products.
This is an industrial paradigm shift.
This is great to see new development, especially digitalization, automation, as well as more eco-friendly product.
We ran out of Salt 2 signs 2 days before the end of the show. That's the best way to say we were very successful here.
We've been getting much more connections and contacts than we were looking for.
We found possibilities for us to expand in the market.
It's a place where we meet a lot of our international customers.
We were very happy to meet our existing customers as well as meet some new customers here.
I have found many new things, new developments.
One of the key trends we've seen this year is around sustainability and Industry 4.0.
4.0 has given very strong support to our industry and push a lot of our company to develop new technology in this field.
ITMA represents a deeper technical understanding of the product we make that elevates even more the importance of such an award.
Now I know that the project that we develop has a future, has a big future.
I'm sure we are not going to miss the coming ITMA in Milan.
You can count on seeing us.
Everybody is invited for the next ITMA in Milan in 2023.
Where will you be in June 2023?